Learn how to Gelli print with textile art expert Jamie Malden. In this 4-part series, Jamie shares how easy it is to create wonderful fabrics by block printing, what a Gelli plate is and how useful it is to create backgrounds and unique fabrics, the book that got her involved in Gelli printing, she thinks you'll love it too, and how to Gelli print with stencils. You'll find Jamie's Gelli printing tutorials an inspiration. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our videos for as little as £5 a month. You can also purchase a series or individual workshops to create your own personal library with on-demand access.